Dear children, in this video let's learn how to do division. Division of polynomials. When a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, how we get the quotient and the remainder, let's do by taking an example. This is second bit from the textbook. Let's do like this: x to the power 4 minus 3x square. Here we don't have x cube term. We can write, if x cube term is not there, plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. It is the dividend. It is to be divided by the divisor. Gx is x square minus x plus 1. It's given x square plus 1 minus x. In the standard form of the polynomial, all the exponents are either in the decreasing order or the exponents are in the increasing order. Here x square के बाद x के बाद constant, it should be in the standard form. So I have rewritten with in the decreasing order of the exponents to the power 1 and the power 0. Constant is having always the exponent of the variable 0. Here 1 means 1 into x to the power 0. Please do remember. Here x to the power 4 is the first term. To get x to the power 4, x square by what we have to multiply? Either you do orally or we can have x to the power 4, the first term. Here by first term is x square. On dividing, the result is x square. So here in the quotient, first term is x square. This is how we get the first term in the quotient. Now x square into x square, x to the power 4 minus x into x square, x into x, x cube, with the plus into minus, minus x into x square, x square. While writing the product, x to the power 4 term exactly under x to the power 4, x cube term exactly under x cube, x square term also it should be under x square term. On subtraction, the sign changes and then with opposite sign we do addition. This is getting cancelled. Always in the division, this first term is getting cancelled. Every time one term it gets cancelled. In such a way we have to select the quotient. It is plus x cube minus x square minus 3x square is minus 4x square, and this is 4x plus 5. Next x cube and divided by x square. This is x. So the second term it is x. X into x square into x, x cube, minus x into plus x. This is minus x square. 1 into x, x. Now again on doing subtraction means change the sign and do addition with opposite sign. This is getting cancelled. Minus 4x square plus x square is equal to minus 3x square. 4x minus x is equal to plus 3x plus 5. Now it is minus 3x square and we have here the first term is x square. To get minus 3x square, it should be multiplied by minus 3. This is minus 3x square minus x into minus 3 plus 3x, 1 into minus 3, it is minus 3. Now here change the sign and then do addition. It is getting cancelled. It is also getting cancelled. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Therefore quotient is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and remainder r is equal to 8. This is how we do division. Please note karo. We have another division. Let us do this also. Okay. Now I am erasing and I am going to the next bit. Here in this x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 is the dividend and 2 minus x square is the quotient. So let us write x to the power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6 is divided by 2 minus x square is not in the standard form. When you write this in the standard form, minus x square comes first and 2 comes next. Minus x square plus 2. To get x to the power 4, here minus x square must be multiplied by again minus x square. Minus into minus plus x square into x square, x to the power 4. Or else you can do like this. First term here it is x to the power 4 and here first term is minus x square. Plus by minus is minus, x to the power 4 by x square is equal to x square. It is the procedure how we get the term every time in the quotient. And 2 into minus x square is minus 2x square. It should be 2x square term under 2x square. 2x square term under x square term. Now it is getting cancelled and there is no x cube term. 0x cube means 0. This on subtraction this becomes a plus 2x square. 2x square plus 0x square is 2x square only, and this is minus 5x plus 6. To get minus 2x square, now to get 2x square, it should be multiplied by minus 2. Minus x square into plus minus 2 is plus 2x square. Minus into minus plus x square as it is. Or else you do like this, 2x square is the required, and here we have minus x square plus by minus is a minus, x square cancel, minus 2. The same minus 2 has come here. Now minus x square into minus 2 is a plus x square. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Now when you do subtraction, after changing the sign, subtraction means addition with opposite sign. Change the sign and then do addition. This is getting cancelled. Minus 5x minus 0 means minus 5x. 4 plus 6 is 10. This is the remainder. Quotient q is equal to minus x square minus 2, or we can say minus of x square plus 2. Both are one and the same. Remainder r is minus 5x plus 10. This is how we do the division. Next we will discuss degrees of the dividend, divisor and remainder. Next one. If Px is a polynomial of degree m, Qx is another polynomial of degree n. It is also given m is greater than n. If you add the two polynomials Px and Qx, the sum of the two polynomials is always polynomial. What is the degree of Px plus Qx? If degree of Px is m, degree of Qx is n, what is the degree of Px minus Qx? Again, third bit. The product of two polynomials is also always a polynomial. So Px into Qx is also a polynomial. What is its degree? Now fourth one is, when a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, the result need not be a polynomial. Means sometimes a polynomial, sometimes no. When the first polynomial is divided by the second polynomial qx, in case the remainder is 0, then we say it's divisible. On dividing we get the quotient is a polynomial. Px by qx is a polynomial if px is divisible by qx. On doing division px by qx, if you are getting some remainder, then px is not divisible and px by qx is not a polynomial. If remainder is 0, is polynomial. Px by qx is a polynomial. If remainder is not 0, then px by qx is not a polynomial. Let us take px and qx are the two polynomials in such a way px is divisible by qx. then px divided by qx. If px is divisible by qx, px plus qx degree is not m plus n. It is exactly the greater degree of m and n. It is already given m. Therefore, degree of a polynomial is the greater degree. In case px and qx are the two polynomials, when it is done subtraction, the degree of px minus qx. Remember, if px and qx are polynomials, px plus qx is always a polynomial. So, degree is defined. Px minus qx is also a polynomial. Therefore, degree is defined. Px into qx is a polynomial. Therefore, degree is defined. But when px is divided by qx, it is not necessary that every time it is a polynomial. In case px by qx is a polynomial, then it is degree defined. If px is not divisible by qx, then degree is not defined. Here we have taken px is divisible by qx. Therefore, here it is defined. Let's do. Here, in case of addition, degree is m. In case of subtraction, is also degree is m. In case of addition, in case of multiplication, when the two polynomials are multiplied, the degree of the product is sum of the degrees of the two individual polynomials. Here degree is equal to m plus n. Next, when polynomials are divided, in case the polynomials are divisible, one polynomial is divisible by other, then degree is m minus n. Last but not least, we have another concept to learn in continuation to this one. Please follow. Px is a polynomial of degree m. Qx is also a polynomial of degree same m. Then Px plus Qx, the sum of the two polynomials, is also a polynomial. Then what do you know about the degree? In case the two polynomials are having the degree equal, then Px plus Qx degree is either m or smaller than m. So we can say less than or equal to m. The sum of the two polynomials is having the degree, it is equal to the same degree of the polynomials or lesser, but never greater than m. Similarly, Px minus Qx is also having its degree m or smaller than m, that is less than or equal to m. Let's have one small example how the degree is equal to m or how the degree is sometimes smaller than m. Px is a polynomial x cube plus x square plus 20. Qx is a polynomial 3x cube plus x plus 17. On adding, Px plus Qx is x cube plus x cube 4x cube, and this is x square plus x plus 37. Here, when the degree of the polynomial it is 3, the quotient of the greatest power should not be 0. That it was discussed in the definition of a quadratic polynomial, standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Here degree 3, here also degree 3, and again degree is equal to 3. The two individual polynomials, they are having degree 3. The sum of the two polynomials, it is also having the same degree 3. Now, in case the two polynomials are having degree equal, sometimes the resultant polynomial will have the degree smaller than the original degree or degree of the individual polynomials. Now for that another example, let Px is equal to 3x square, Qx is equal to minus 3x square. Say this is 3x and this is 5x, 3x square 5x. Now it is a polynomial of degree 2. First polynomial is degree 3. First polynomial is of degree 3 and second polynomial also I will make degree 3. First polynomial, what is the degree? Second polynomial, what is the degree? Degree is the largest exponent among all the exponents of the polynomial. It is 3, it is also 3. On adding Px plus Qx is equal to 3x cube minus 3x cube, 0x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 37. Here degree is 2. It is an example where the degree of Px is equal to 3, degree of Qx is also 3, but on adding the resultant polynomial Px plus Qx is having the degree smaller than 3. So here when the two polynomials are having the same degree, on adding the resultant polynomial, it will have the degree either equal to the same degree or lesser. An example. Thank you. Now let us do the questions 1 and 2 from the exercise 2.2 in the NCERT textbook. Please do and show me in the WhatsApp group. I am waiting for your answers. Thank you.